Hello, this is Tim Collins from the Digivac Company. We've got a pretty exciting little solution. We do a lot of vacuum instrumentation and vacuum control solutions. This one is actually targeted at the medical market. I want to show you three things. One, how a lot of folks do it today, and two, our system to do it, and three, how the system actually works in place. So come on over, let me show you what we have here. What we have is a total of 1, 2, 3 vacuum pumps delivering a total of about 9 cubic feet per minute. We also have so all these three go into one manifold, so we have a lot of flow rate right here. And then what we have is a tube that goes all the way up to a receptacle that would actually collect aspirated fluid. Could be fat, could be a variety of things. Then we have something that's going to be connected in an operating room, for example. We have a tube that comes out to a cannula. And we use this to actually put our finger over and aspirate and take things off. So the first thing I want to show you is how this is typically done. So, vacuum please. So we're going to turn on our vacuum pump. Now we've got vacuum. And then what I'll do is I'll put this in, and what's going to happen is the fluid's going to actually suck right out of here. I have applesauce to simulate actually aspirated fluid. So that works pretty neat. Vacuum off please. But the problem with this is you're sucking at a very high vacuum, sometimes up to about 28 or 29 inches of mercury. So if you want to do a more delicate process, we've developed a solution for that. What that solution is the Digivac Aspiration vacuum control. What it's composed of is a display and vacuum controller. Certainly the power supply that connects it, it's a 24-volt power supply. You can use this or just 24 volts DC, and also a valve. So this assembly is the valve and also the tube that is connected to the sensor. So all we have to do is actually put this valve in line. So the vacuum that normally goes to the collection chamber, we're just going to break it somewhere between the vacuum source and this chamber, put this valve in. Here we go. Now I did prepare this, so it's, might be a little harder. You have to go find fittings and such. But 3/8 ID is what we expect. Okay, that's it. We're connected. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to plug this guy in. And what we see here is the Digivac will show what the actual inches of mercury are in this vessel. Furthermore, we can change this dial, and S will appear to show that we're actually changing the actual set point. 18.8, 18.9. We're going to actually set it to about 15. There we go. 18.6. 16, about 15. Okay, so now that's set. After all you have to do to get that set point is just to touch the valve. You'll see, yes, you'll be setting the set point of how much vacuum you want in here, and then you're ready to go. So let's start that vacuum again. So now what we have is this valve regulating how much vacuum we have. So when we go in and start aspirating, we're not going to go over 15. To say if I want to suck stuff a little faster, what I'll do is I'll change this. I'll change it to be a little higher, say 20 inches of mercury. And it won't go over 20. Right? Now, there could be times when it won't even reach that, and that's because of flow, or maybe there's something stuck or something like that. But this allows me to actually control that vacuum level. There you go. So, vacuum off please. So this is the Digivac solution for aspirating in a controlled vacuum, and I'm Tim Collins. Thanks for watching it, and call us with any questions.